Karnataka government and British Council partners sign MoU to strengthen education. Education ministers meeting with teachers regarding board exams 2021 postponed. Marathwada school buildings from the Nizam period to undergo repairs. Tripura board exams 2021 to start from May 10th. Special students schools in Maharashtra find a way in new normal. Karnataka private schools seek fresh SOP to hold Vidyagama classes. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the government of Karnataka and the British Council have signed a memorandum of understanding to further bilateral cooperation in higher education in the presence of Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa in Bengaluru on Thursday. The Chief Minister said the two governments are signing a first-of-its-kind 3-year MoU involving collaboration on leadership development in higher education institutions. India and UK's relationship spans several sectors of cooperation, including trade and commerce, education, science and technology, defense and culture. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal's interaction with teachers to discuss the upcoming board exams scheduled for December 17 has been postponed to December 22. The Education Minister will be live on Twitter handle and Facebook page at 4 p.m. on December 22 to discuss the board exams and answer queries and concerns regarding the same. Till then, teachers can keep sharing their queries on Twitter using #EducationMinisterGoesLive. Funds for the repair of Zilla Parishad school buildings in Marathwada region built before 1916 have been sanctioned, including those dating back to the Nizam period, as said by the officials on Thursday. Large parts of Marathwada in central Maharashtra were under the Nizam rule prior to 1948. The Maharashtra government has sanctioned Rs 200 crore for schools built before 1960 in Marathwada. School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad tweeted, "If the COVID-19 situation comes under control, the Tripura Board Class 10 and 12 examinations 2021 are expected to start from May 10th, said Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath. Regular classes for classes 10 and 12 have started from December 7th and would continue till March 30th, till declaration of conduct of their pre-board examination. We have decided so far to conduct the board examinations from May 10th till June 9th. If anything goes wrong, further decisions will be taken," said Nath after a meeting with officials of Education Department, Tripura Board of Secondary Education and governing body on Wednesday. After Maharashtra went into the lockdown that was forced by the COVID-19 pandemic in March, 12-year-old Sara Malche, a child with special needs, found it hard to cope with the new normal as schools were shut. Divya, Sara's mother, said, "We sent her to a special school where she has friends and teachers who encourage her every day. But when all social interactions stopped, she was really not able to cope. She would not sit for online classes and often had difficulty in getting instructions." With the government's decision to allow private schools to conduct Vidyagama classes, managements have said the government must release separate SOPs for them to follow. The government said it will relaunch Vidyagama, the continuous learning program, from January 1st in all schools across the states with all safety precautions in place. A circular was issued by the Commissioner of Public Instruction in this regard. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.